All right, everybody, welcome back. So we have been talking about star alliances, Sky Team, One World alliances, and stuff like that. And the last video we talked about was Delta has a major hub here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Well, I put together 5 cool places you can fly nonstop on Delta, and that's coming up right after this. Hey everybody, welcome back to Traveling with Justin. I am Justin, and right now I'm just talking about traveling, how to get to places like that and stuff like that. I am not traveling quite yet because I am still playing catch up. All right, so we are going to be talking about 5 cool places plus one bonus that you can fly to here from Salt Lake City International Airport, flying on Delta. All right, maybe one of their partners too. So let's get into that. Okay, so right now, number 1 is the home of the K-pop, birthplace of the K-pop. Yes, I am talking about Seoul, South Korea. That just launched last year. Okay, so what's there to do in Seoul? Well, the vibe is the neon lights, the incredible street food, okay, and the birthplace of the K-pop. Now, I don't know about the street food. That's just what I've been reading, my research and stuff like that. But I can't wait to go try that street food. All right. So the flight. So this is a brand new route. It launched in June of 2025. And it's currently the only direct flight to Asia from the entire Mountain West region. And Salt Lake City uses it, and they fly on Delta. And since Delta is part of the Sky Team Alliance, that means that Korean Air is also part of that Sky Team. So you can land in Seoul and easily hop to places like Tokyo, Bangkok, or Bali on the same team. So yeah, you can use Delta. You can go to Korean Air and explore more options. That is kind of cool for that Sky Team Alliance right there. Okay, so yeah, Seoul, South Korea. It's the number 1 cool place that just launched last year in June of 2025. So the next spot is a seasonal one, but it is kind of cool. Okay, and that is Lima, Peru. Yes, Lima, Peru. Okay, so if my son flew to Lima and he had to fly to Atlanta, then on to Lima. On the way home, he flew from Lima to Los Angeles, then back to Salt Lake. But Salt Lake City International has a seasonal flight directly to Lima, Peru. Okay, you don't have to stop anywhere. Okay, and it's perfect for that winter break. It's winter up here in the United States, in Utah. Boom, you fly down to South America in Lima, and there it is. You have nice sunny weather. Okay, you can go to Machu Picchu. I would love to go to that and see that. Okay, and they got surfing down there, and they say they got some of the best food in the world. My son can attest to that. He loves the food down there in Peru. Oh, yes. So the travel hack here is Salt Lake City is one of the few cities in the U.S. that has a direct flight to the Andes Mountains down there. How cool is that? Even though it's just seasonal right now, it's kind of cool, right? You can fly to Lima, Peru. All right, so the next one, number 3, okay, is Amsterdam in the Netherlands, okay? So the vibe, okay, you got your canals, the world famous museums, airport. It's one of the easiest to navigate in the world. So that airport, I think it's called Schiphol. They say it's one of the easiest. I've never been there, but I would love to go there and check it out. So The flight is a classic Salt Lake City route. And it is straight to Amsterdam. You can jump on trains. You can jump on anything and go to London, Paris, Berlin in just a few hours. I mean, they have it mapped out over there. So yeah, Amsterdam, they've got it going on. Okay, so number 4 is something that I really didn't think about, but it's going to start. It hasn't started yet. It has not even done anything yet. But it's going to Guadalajara, Mexico. Okay, so it's the Silicon Valley of Mexico, full of culture, music, and amazing technology. So the Volaris, it's a budget airline, and it just announced they are starting this direct route in June of 2026. Okay, so it's not on Delta; it's on this Volaris. Okay, so it's one of the cheapest options to get to Mexico from Salt Lake City, and you would have to spend a fortune. So that's kind of nice. Okay, because I know that Salt Lake City flies to Mexico City on Delta, but this is kind of a cool, starting in June of 2026. We'll have to see how that goes. All right, so number 5 is Paris. Paris, France. Delta, yes, they do service a direct nonstop flight from Salt Lake City, Utah to Paris, the city of love. Okay? So, the vibe in Paris is the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre. I wonder if it's going to get robbed again. And more pastries than you can eat in a lifetime. Now that is something I would like to challenge right there. Okay, so this one, they say it's operated by Air France, Delta's best friend. Okay, so the moment you step on the plane, they say, of this Air France jet, it feels like you've already been in Europe. You got the French food, you got everything like that on this Air France flight. So that's kind of cool, right? And since Air France and Delta are like best friends in the same alliance, Sky Miles will work exactly like they do on Air France as they do on Delta. Okay? So, yeah, so we got those 5 right there. We've got Seoul, South Korea. We got Lima, Peru. We got Amsterdam, Netherlands. We got Guadalajara, Mexico. And we got Paris, France. Okay, so here's a quick bonus. Okay, Salt Lake City even has a direct flight to the UK, either via Delta or Virgin Atlantic. And Virgin Atlantic is known to have the coolest planes with mood lightings and great snacks. Okay, I've never been on Virgin Atlantic. I would like to, but yeah, you can fly to London from Salt Lake City nonstop. Okay, so those are just 5, well, 6 if you count London, 6 of the international flights that fly from Salt Lake City to different parts of the world. Now, those are just my picks right there, the top coolest ones right there. Air France, that would be kind of cool to fly on, especially if they have an A380, which I highly doubt to land in Salt Lake City. Okay? And I'll explain that in another video. So, but yeah, Virgin Atlantic, the Air France, then flying to Asia with the Korean Air. Yeah, you can fly anywhere around the world and still use the Alliance package. You leave from Salt Lake City, you fly to Seoul, you jump on Korean Air, you go anywhere, and it is just really super nice. Okay, so I will talk more about international flights from Salt Lake City, and that will be coming up in a later post. I've got some cool posts coming up talking about traveling. We've got the longest flight. We've got Project Sunrise. We'll talk about international flights from Salt Lake City. And so, yeah, those are all coming up. But next week, we're going to shift gears from traveling, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of a brand new Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints temple. Okay? I can't show you the inside because I can't take cameras in, but I'll be showing you what the Linden, Utah temple looks like on the outside and explain to you the timeline and some facts about that temple. So I want you to like this video. Boom. Okay? We'll push it out to more people who might want to see what kind of cool flights that are going out of Salt Lake City. And then subscribe to the channel so you'll know when I post stuff. But if you want to know, you have to hit that bell notification. Okay? So thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification. All right? So I really appreciate you guys coming around and seeing, hearing what I have to say about some of the cool flights from Salt Lake City. Utah is the international flight, some of the coolest ones. All right, guys, until the next video, I will see you later. Bye. Hi, everybody. Thank you for watching Traveling with Justin today and this video. And here you can hit the subscribe button. And here's the next video for your viewing pleasure. Thank you.